हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियोस ला रहे हैं। अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के हमारे वीडियोस आखिर तक देखते हो और बार बार देखते हो तो आपकी अच्छी लर्निंग होगी और आपके अच्छे स्कोर्स यानी कि मार्क्स आएंगे। आप टॉपर स्टूडेंट बन जाओगे क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। हम आपके लिए मेहनत से वीडियो बनाते हैं। सिर्फ हमारे लिए एक काम करो, हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करो, चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलो, ताकि जब भी हम नया वीडियो बनाएंगे या कोई नया अपडेट आपके लिए होगा तो तुरंत आपको मिल जाएगा। हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करना ना भूलो। आपकी पढ़ाई के लिए हमने एक खास ऐप बनाया है। इसमें आपके लिए होंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन पेपर्स भी आपको मिलेंगे इसमें। और इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात जो कि एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चंस यानी कि क्विज टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे। आप वहां पे टेस्ट दे सकते हैं और आपके तुरंत मार्क्स आपको मिलेंगे। आपका परफॉर्मेंस आप खुद चेक कर सकते हैं। ये ऐप आपको गूगल प्ले स्टोर पे मिलेगा। सिर्फ आपको सर्च करना है माई बेस्ट गुरु नाम से। थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट लक फॉर योर स्टडी।
Dear students, now learn the question answers of lesson number 9, Agriculture. Question 1. Select the proper option for the following statements. 1. In which of the following type of farming are the crops rotated? Options are intensive, plantation, commercial, all of these. Answer: intensive. 2. Agriculture requires the following. Options are only plowing, use of animals, implements, machines and manpower, use of only manpower, just cultivate the crop. Answer: use of animals, implements, machines and manpower. 3. In India, agriculture has developed because. Options are A. There are two seasons of agriculture in India. B. Majority of the people depend on agriculture. C. Traditional agriculture is practiced in India. D. In India, factors like climate, soils, water, etc. are conducive. In India, factors like climate, soils, water, etc. are conducive. In India, agriculture has developed because in India, factors like climate, soils, water, etc. are conducive. 4. It is necessary that modern methods and technology be used in agriculture in India because. Options are: there are factories producing improved seeds. B. There are industries producing fertilizers. C. Population is growing and there are agro-based industries. D. Modern means and machines are available. Population is growing and there are agro-based industries. It is necessary that modern methods and technology be used in agriculture in India because population is growing and there are agro-based industries. Question number 2. Give short answers for the following questions. 1. Describe the importance of irrigation for agriculture. Answer: 1. Water is very important for the crops. Sometimes it is difficult to depend on the rain. During this, the water from canals, wells, reservoirs is supplied to the crops. 2. In the delay of rain, the irrigation play very important role in the production of crops by supplying the water. 3. Irrigation water improves water conditions in the soil, increases the water content of plant, dissolves nutrients and makes them available to the plants. 2. Give a comparative account of any two methods of irrigation. Answer. Irrigation means supplying water to the cultivated crops. There are two types of irrigation. They are drip irrigation and sprinkle irrigation. Drip irrigation. In drip irrigation, water is delivered directly to the roots of the plants. In this process, there is no wastage of water. It is very good for the production of the crops. Water is absorbed quickly in the soil. This irrigation method can be used on all soil types. Sprinkle irrigation. Sprinkle irrigation is the best for the uneven lands. It is the method of irrigation in which water is sprayed or sprinkled through the air like raindrops. 3. Mention the major types of farming and give information about intensive farming and extensive grain farming. Answer. There are two types of major farming. They are subsistence farming and commercial farming. Intensive farming. Gaining more production in less area is one of the features of the intensive farming. Due to the more population, there is shortage of land and more demand of food production. Hence, intensive farming is practiced on large scale in developing regions. Now, extensive grain farming. In the extensive grain farming, the area is very large in size and more than 200 acres. Due to the large size farm and less population, agriculture is carried on large scale by using machines like tractors and crushers. Pesticides are sprayed with the help of helicopters and planes. Many types of crops are cultivated like wheat, corn, barley, oats, etc. 4. Which are the crops cultivated in your area? What are the geographical reasons for that? Answer. Crops like wheat, jowar, bajra, groundnut, etc. are cultivated in our area. Climatic conditions, the soil and the slopes of the land in our area are suitable for these crops. Therefore, these crops are taken in our area. Students can write the answer on their own if this does not match with their area. 5. Why is the agriculture in India seasonal in nature? What are the difficulties for perennial agriculture? Answer. Agriculture in India is seasonal in nature. The plants are difficult to maintain due to shortage of water in India. Therefore, agriculture in India is seasonal in nature. Plants that survive for several years are called perennial plants. Due to shortage of water and adverse climatic conditions, perennial agriculture is very difficult in India.
Extra questions?
Use your brain power. Why does extensive commercial farming need more capital? Answer. 1. In extensive commercial farming, farm size is large. 2. This type of farming is carried out with the help of machines like tractors and crushers. Pesticides are sprayed with the help of helicopters and planes. 3. More expenditure is needed for the purchase of machinery, fertilizers, pesticides, godowns, transports, etc. Therefore, extensive commercial farming needs more capital. 2. Why does plantation farming need skilled and experienced labor? Answer. If we give this type of work to a normal person, they do not know the ways to plant the crops. The person who plants should know the distance between the crops and also know the depth of the crop to be planted. Therefore, plantation farming needs skilled and experienced labor. 3. In what different ways is groundwater obtained for agriculture? Answer. Groundwater can also be extracted through a well drilled in the land. A well is a pipe in the ground that fills with groundwater. This water can be brought to the surface by a pump.
मित्रांनो, आम्ही आपल्यासाठी चांगले व्हिडिओज बनवत आहोत. जर तुम्ही आमचा चॅनल सबस्क्राईब कराल, आमचे व्हिडिओज इतरांना शेअर कराल, व्हिडिओजवर लाईक व कमेंट कराल, तर आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज घेऊन येऊ. आमचा माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनल सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करा.